The following is for 2011 Math 115 Test 3, number 20 and number 21. Number 20, divide this expression here by that binomial. Now, because I divide by a binomial, you will see that we will not be able to just break this up into the sum of terms. Sometimes the expression we have out there can be written as the following. Now, to do this, we will do long division. Let me do it below here. 6x squared minus 7x minus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. Now, 2x goes to 6x squared how many times? 3x, right? 2x times 3x give me 6x squared. Now, when I multiply by 3x, then I will get 6x squared minus 3x. Okay? And then I will subtract. Be very careful here. We do expect that this term later on cancel, but the one here, you should think of that as negative 7 minus negative 3. So it is not negative 10. Okay, it will be negative 4x minus 2. After I subtract, I drop another one number down, another one term down. Now, then the next step, 2x times what give me negative 4x? That will be negative 2. Okay. Now, if I distribute this negative 2 into with 2x minus 1, that will give me negative 4x plus 2. Okay. Now, do not react too fast and you see this, that this will be 0 later on. No, we are subtracting here. So what actually happened is negative 2 minus 2. Okay, and that will be negative 4. So the answer later on will be 3x minus 2 minus 4 over 2x minus 1. Okay, this will be the answer of that will be the quotient. Now, I want to warn you, it may be helpful for you to write this down. Okay, it may be helpful for you to write it down when you subtract, because we don't get used to subtracting negative numbers in the pancake method. Okay, in fact, if you came from my pre-algebra class, I actually prevent you, I warn you not to do pancake with negative numbers. So pancaking, piling up negative coefficients, especially when you need to subtract, it's not something come to us naturally. Okay, so this is for number 20. Let's continue to number 21. Number 21, divide this binomial by that binomial. Now you see the problem here in this question is you have x to the third, and all of a sudden it jumped to the much lower degree, and in fact that's a constant. Now let me rewrite it using the fractional notation first. X cubed minus 50 divided by x minus 5. Now when I do the long division, I need to be aware that I need to fill up the gap. Plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 50. Okay, I need to insert these two 0 terms there to hold the place. Divided by x minus 5. Now, x times what give me x cubed. That's x squared, I mean. Okay, I need to write it on the top of that x squared term. Then this will be x cubed minus 5x squared. Now then I will subtract. Notice that 0 minus negative 5, 0 minus negative 5 is not negative 5. that's positive 5. After I subtract, I bring one next term down. In this case, it's a 0 x term, I mean. And then now x times what give me 5x squared. That's plus 5x. And that will give me 5x squared minus 25x. I'll subtract again, right? And just like before, 0 minus negative 25 is positive 25. So here this will be positive 25x minus 50. Okay. Now then, x times what give me 25x? Oh, that's 25. This is 25x minus 125, which if I subtract, let me do it again, negative 50 minus negative 125. Okay, I hope you can see that's actually positive 75. Now therefore the solution is, let me write it here, the solution is x squared plus 5x plus 25 plus 75 over x minus 5. Okay, this is the quotient for this question here. This is for 2011 Math 115 Test 3, number 20 and number 21. Number 21 and this is number 20. Okay.